Twinkies are your favorite?
Yeah, they're crunchy and they're great.
Crunchy? Not crunchy, they're just like spongy and soft.
About Twinkies?
The little yellow things with the white cream?
I'm thinking about a Twix. Never mind.
What's up, everybody? We're back with another episode of Street Smart with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shatty. I'm here today on Fairfax, aka the Designer District. I'm gonna ask some people some health-related questions, and we'll see if somebody wins a little bit of money. Let's go see how much these people know about health. All right, sir, what is your name and where are you from?
So, man, I'm Gabriel. I'm from the Inland Empire, Ontario area.
My name's Ray, and I'm from San Antonio, Texas.
A Texan. You a Spurs fan?
Yes.
Murdock, Rochester, New York. What's poppin'?
Murdock, let me say, I like your style, man. I've been seeing a lot of hypebeasts around here, and this is good to see someone with just some unique, you got the most unique style I've seen out here all day. Can I burden you? Can I see your Euro step? Can you maybe show me a little Euro?
A Euro? No.
Quick Euro step?
No.
What, I know you got a little Euro.
I feel like a grandma. I don't have moves at all.
Miss Euro step, what is your name and where are you from?
My name is Shelly, and I'm from San Antonio, Texas as well.
All right, Murdock, you feeling smart today?
Oh, man. Too smart.
What nutrient is needed to absorb calcium?
H2O. I don't know. I give up. I tapped out.
I would say vitamin D.
Vitamin C? I don't know.
Vitamin D.
No hesitation. This guy's a professional.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, I thought I was going to get that wrong. I was thinking of bones, bones absorbing calcium from milk. So, yeah.
Ooh, so close. Vitamin D.
D. That was a D, babe.
No, he said D. I said vitamin C.
What's got more calories, soybeans or steak?
I think that little guy has more. The little soybeans have more.
Soybeans.
Probably the soybeans.
Steak.
You would think, right? Ding, ding, ding. That is correct. This guy's unfazed. 2 for 2.
I might have to put that in my diet more now then. Yeah.
And the final question. Are Twinkies vegetarian?
No?
I would say no because isn't milk used in whipped cream?
I want to say yes. Just because she said no.
Yes. Yes.
You were 2 for 3, Murdock. You're right that it's no, but it's not the milk that makes it not. It's actually beef tallow is on the ingredients list.
Ew. I don't like Twinkies, so they're not for me. No.
I don't know how I feel about that now.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Twinkies are your favorite?
Yeah, they're crunchy and they're great.
Crunchy? Not crunchy. They're just like spongy and soft.
About Twinkies?
The little yellow things with the white cream?
I'm thinking about a Twix. Never mind. I had a Twix in my mind the whole time.
Don't eat Twinkies.
You heard it here first from Murdock. All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rachid. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. Tell us how many questions you got right, or give us some questions to ask people. Tune in again next time for another episode of Street Smart with Rachid.